Last year I lost out. I lost to another coach, but it has a happy ending for me and for the client. Why did they go with the other coach? I asked them when they came back to me, and they said, things didn't work out with that guy. We want to go with you. And I said, well, why did you pick him in the first place? And they asked him, well, if we go with you, how fast are we going to get more profitable? And how much is our revenue going to go up? And he gave them very specific answers. And they said, do you remember what you told us? And I said, I do, because I tell everybody that asks me that question, I say, it all depends on you, right? I can encourage you. I can give you great ideas. I can give you SOPs. I can help hold you accountable. I can help you create action plans. But at the end of the day, you've got to do the work. There's no quick fix, right? And a lot of times I use the gym analogy when somebody asks me, if I go with you, Scott, how fast am I going to get results? And I say, well, it's kind of like joining the gym, right? It's very easy to swipe your credit card at the gym and maybe even hire a personal trainer, but they're not going to lift the weights for you, right? They're not going to do the work. I can't do the work for you. I can do all those things to support you, and I absolutely will. And the more you try, the more I'm going to feel really, really interested in helping you, right? There's just something about people who try, right, that makes us want to help them more, right? And that happens with me and my clients too. But I can't do the work for you, right? So I want to challenge you. I want you to come away from this short video with one thing that you feel like you've got to get better. It's really important to you. You've got a really big why around it's important to you to maybe grow revenue, to get more profitable, to build a better team that you can count on, right? Choose something and get really intentional. Put the hard work in, put the reps in, do the things that you probably already know that you have to do to make those things happen. And it might not be perfect, and this might not be the perfect time, but just get started. And I promise you, you're going to look back 3 months, 6 months, a year, 5 years from now, and you're going to be so happy that you took action. If there's anything I can do to help support you, don't hesitate, reach out, Scott@TheGrowthLeague.com. And if you haven't already subscribed to my free weekly challenge series, please go to my website, TheGrowthLeague.com, hit the button up at the top of the screen that says challenges, and subscribe. Every Monday morning, you're going to get a new challenge in your inbox. Looking forward to seeing you make progress.